There are lots of reasons why you might need to rent a CPAP, and with Respshop's rental program, the process can be affordable, simple, and hassle-free. So here's how it works. CPAP rentals are perfectly suited for a range of occasions. For example, purchasing a machine is an investment, and it isn't always obvious which one to invest in. Renting allows new users to try a few machines before they settle on their ideal choice. And with our rent then buy option, if you decide to purchase the machine you're renting, the monthly rental cost you've already paid for the machine can be deducted from the price. Or if you are an occasional traveler, it can be excessive to purchase a separate travel CPAP that will only be used for the odd trip, in which case renting a travel device can be a more affordable option. Our rental plans have a minimum 1 month hire and come standard with a travel bag. Or if your CPAP is off getting repaired after a incident, or because it just needs some TLC, you can quickly get a rental machine to tie you over until your favorite machine returns home. And these are just a few examples. At Respshop.com, some popular at-home models such as ResMed AirSense 10 and Philips StreamStation 2 cost only $29 per month, plus a one-time setup fee of $79. We also charge a deposit to your credit card that is refunded back to you when the unit is returned. And that's it. So renting can even be an alternative way to begin and continue CPAP therapy without a large sum investment into your own device. Now, when you rent from us, you can select from our range of auto, travel, and BiPAP options, and we will send them to you fully sanitized with new filters, new tubing, and a new water chamber. Just attach your favorite mask and you're away. You can end the rental or exchange your machine at any time, and there are no contracts and no hidden fees. We provide you with free round shipping, free technical support, and low mileage machines are guaranteed. So just send us your prescription and your payment information along with your selection and we'll do the rest. Sound good? Of course it does. This is Respshop after all. So if you ever need to rent, hop over to Respshop.com and check out our rental units. And in the meantime, sleep tight, friends.